So we found our new home just by searching online for something to lease, and we couldn't really come across anything that was new and nice enough. So once we found Fairin Realty, we fell in love with the brand new home and that we could lease.
Applying online was really easy. We looked at a variety of floor plans, and the moment we found the one we liked, we applied for it.
And right after we applied, we got approved and signed the lease in the very same day.
My favorite thing about our new home has to be the outdoor living space. I love going out there, throwing the ball with Wilson, grilling out.
My favorite thing has to be the kitchen. It's gorgeous, gorgeous countertops, amazing floors, super easy to maintain, and I can't forget to mention the awesome walk-in closet. It's been amazing.
It really just made more sense for us to rent a home at this point as opposed to an apartment. With the backyard area space, we can let Wilson out in the backyard and he can roam around. We don't have to share walls with tenants and hear them on the other side. We've got a great garage space and storage area where we can park our own cars. It's just everything we could ask for. I would recommend Fairin Realty to anyone trying to rent.
It really is the perfect balance between an apartment and owning a home.